Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Vaseline saturated cotton balls are a great fire starter. A lot of people like to go ahead and make them up beforehand, just keep them in a watertight container. But I want to encourage you to make sure you have some untreated cotton balls too, because you may want to do the fire roll. Or you could do like I do, just carry the bulk Vaseline with you and the untreated cotton balls and do it on the spot. And that's what I want to show you today. Now, I like to tear about half of them off just to sort of fluff them out, and then get a big gob of Vaseline on the other half. And then cap it off. And this will be easy to ferro rod ignite. Keychain ferro rod, this is a Bayite. It's 3 1/8 by 5/16 in diameter. And my Stanley 10-049 pocket knife. The cracks and crevices in that bark makes a nice little sort of grease lamp. And now we have an untreated one for the fire roll. We'll get about 6 inches of cotton. We'll fire roll it on the tabletop today because this wood right here is too saturated. We've had rain for the past 2 or 3 days. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.